Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Recipe Stars. Today we are going to make a icing which is going viral on every single account like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everything. My minds are blown. But now we are gonna make it. Watch till the end if you wanna see which recipe is it. So let's get begin. Now we're gonna add the cream. I cut it like this so I can pour it like a mouth. Look.
Pakistani pipe like this. It sounds like this. Pakistani pipes don't work properly. I'm tired. You need muscles to do this. My nose. Now my nose can even eat the delicious ice cream.
Now we'll add 6 tablespoons of Lotus Ice 2 in 1, but we are gonna use a cutter. Safety first. Just like that. The first scoop. Look at that, smooth. Budge. Never see that I did that. Who did that? I don't know. That's hard. So gulpy. But it's delicious to eat.
Look at the smooth, soothing color. I love the smell. I wish you could smell it too. But don't worry, when you make it at home, you'll smell it. So delicious.
I'm gonna add the condensed milk. You guys like now the cringy things, so I'm gonna show it to you. Look at that. Look, it's like a condensed milk river going on.
I have a secret ghost working for me. If you don't watch my videos, he's gonna come in your dream and punch you. Look, he can't see. I'm spilling it all over me and on my clothes. Bad ghost.
I said the ghost is bad, so he ran away, so I'll have to do the work. These are the Lotus biscuits. Lotus! Wait. These biscuits are so delicious. I love them. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, go. Crush, 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 crush. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna take all my stress of the whole day right now. Now I'm a professional ice cream maker. Do you know my mother had an ice cream business and then he passed it on to my chachu. His branch is temptitious. You should go. They make so delicious ice cream. I love it. I always go there. I sneak in with my cousin and take all the ice cream. It's so delicious. Now this is like exam. We have to put it really precisely everywhere. First this layer and then this layer. This layer like this. Now let's add it. Now it's filled up. I'm gonna add the biscuits. Get it all on the edges. Like you are in a MasterChef game and you have to win the first prize. Now we are gonna add it again. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. I almost forgot to tell you that I did not use whipping cream. I used normal cooking cream because the whipping cream is too heavy and it's mostly used for cakes. Look, I'm giving you the ASMR. Look. Now it's time for the freezing part. But make sure that you put it on the upper shelf of the freezer or else it will create crystals in it. And then you won't like it. Now we have to freeze this for around 5 to 6 hours. See you after 6 hours. The ice cream is ready. Now let's make the Sizzler ice cream. Now we're gonna add chits. Hear the sound? I loved it. And you guys asked for ASMR, so this is one. This was the one. This is so delicious, hot and warm, with a hot sizzling sauce and a cold and delicious ice cream.